Renaissance Creative Arts presents From Tuscany to Tipperary, an online art instructional program on plein air oil painting, filmed in some of the most beautiful locations in Italy and Ireland, with your host and instructor, Jessica Henry.
Right onto the tripod like this.
Welcome here to Tuscany. This is the view from Villa Nobile, where we had our workshop, and this video is from the workshop. This is the finished painting and versus dark and the percent and ratio of those light and dark masses as they compare with each other. So I have these pieces of dark. I'm looking at the plane as on the very top of that hill as it's facing the sky, and I'm painting it a little bit cooler tone of that ochre color because it's receiving more of a reflection from the sky. All right, well, I hope that was enjoyable. We sure enjoyed ourselves in Florence. That actually gets you an even brighter spring green, but you can see how much brighter this is than the pile just to the left of it. So now I'm going to take an umbrella for plein air painting. I choose not to simply because I'm always filming these videos and it casts the painting in too much shadow.